Hi guys! So today I will be trying to bleach my hair using the APRIL Skin Turn-Up Bleach. So I've actually always wanted to bleach my hair ever since I was in high school, but it wasn't allowed in our school. Let's just get right into it. I bought this for 150 in Shopee, 150 pesos, and I will try to link it down below if I do find it. So it comes with this. This is the lotion, I think. Chickens! This is the lotion and this is the powder. I actually only bought 3 packs, which I think is not going to fit my hair, but I'm not really planning on doing my whole hair because I have really bad hair fall and I don't really want to go bald or anything like that. I'm just going to do this part of my, just the lower part of my hair and try to do it like balayage style. Let me check the instructions again just to be sure. Oh yeah, wear gloves. So make sure, if you are going to do this, that you have the necessary materials like gloves, if you have a gown, or just wear a shirt that you don't really mind getting ruined. There should be proper ventilation. And I'm actually also going to be using foil. They say that the foil lightens the hair better, so I'm gonna try to do that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I just put in all 3 packs of powder and 3 packs of lotion, and then I'm just going to mix it. It doesn't really smell that bad, but just try your best not to inhale the powder because it hurts a bit. I actually can smell it now. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to put on the gloves and just pray for God's mercy. Let's just get into it. So as you can see, I'm just going back to the parts where I put too much hair in because I was actually scared that this pack will not be enough for everything, for all of my hairs. To get the best results, it's much better to bleach little parts of the hair. So yeah, I am just going back to those big chunks of hair, dividing them, and then putting more of the bleaching mixture. see, I have done all of my hair. So 3 packs is actually okay. It was good enough for my hair, but I'm not sure if I put too little of the mixture with every strand or every part of the hair. I guess we'll know later if it's good or not. So I'm actually just going to wait for 20 minutes, which is the lightest it can get. I'm just hoping that I put enough of the mixture with every part of these little things so that it would actually look good. I'll see you back in 20 minutes.
A few moments later.
It's been roughly 30 to 35 minutes. 20 minutes in, I actually checked the state of my hair, but it wasn't really light enough. It's like nothing really happened. And I'm just hoping that 30 to 35 minutes is enough for this to actually light up. I hope this actually works. It's not really as white as I had hoped it would be. After this, I've unfoiled everything. I'm actually going to rinse this using this purple shampoo, which is for bleached hairs, so it wouldn't come off as orangey and actually be light like what it's supposed to be. It says to protect blonde, highlighted, or bleach colored hair from turning into rusty yellow. So yeah, and after this, I am going to treat my hair with this hair spa, which is keratin repair, damage control, you know. Instructions are stated here, so it will be easy, and I bought this at the drugstore. Yeah. So let's unfoil everything. This is the state that it's in right now. It's not really that light, but I am going to hold off any opinions until I actually rinse this off and, you know, use the hair treatment and all that stuff, and I will be back with you on that.
More moments later.
This is the final result. It's definitely not as light as I had hoped it would be. I actually hoped that it would be like this color, because the agenda of this whole bleaching thing is so I could have pink, pastel, beautiful colored hair. But I don't think that is going to look pretty if I actually try and put it now, because kinda looks just like a very light brown. A bit disappointed actually. But here are some tips. I think you definitely should be generous in the mixture and have smaller parts of hair that you will be putting the mixture in and then foiling. Also, there are these weird parts where this is bleached and this is not bleached. I don't know, probably because the way I also put it is not even. It's definitely not like I hoped it would be. It's pretty weird, especially at this part. There is a recurring theme in all of my videos, and that is failure. But we are still alive, and this is what my hair looks like now. I think I'm gonna have to order more of the April Skin and give it another go. I think that I'm going to save this for when my hair is actually super light because I do want it to look pink. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's not what I had initially planned, but plans change because of human error. See you in the next video. I hope this was entertaining or you enjoyed watching this. I hope it's informative enough. And definitely just be careful if you are going to bleach your hair. Make sure that if you're going to do it, just be generous about it, and it's better to have more of the mixture than less because this is what it's going to look like. Also, I have really dark jet black hair as you saw earlier, so that's probably also why it's harder. I don't know. I think in the end this is actually good because if this is super blonde and there isn't much transition or it didn't really look like what I was hoping it would be, like the balayage thing, it would actually also look ugly if this was the super light blonde and very black hair. That actually really wouldn't look good too, so I guess everything worked out for the best. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. I really am going right now. Please do subscribe, share, and like this video, and see you in the next videos. Bye!